Alright, I'm going to give this a second shot. Alright? Alright.
Don't worry if you need some help, Pete. We'll do your best. Keep your head down, there's two of us here, remember?
No, no. Yes! Explosion! I don't care how. I love explosions.
Don't worry if you need some help, Pete. We'll do your best. Keep your head down, there's two of us here now, remember?
Oh, shite. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm sorry about last video. I just got really, really pissed off. Like, way too much. I am extremely sorry for last video. I'll make sure to keep it at a minimum this time. An actual minimum. Yeah, I'm doing way better. Oh, 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 run, run, oh. Oh no. Yay! I can kill very easily. Maybe I'll get to the checkpoint and actually do this legit. Where are the enemies? Yay, I have gotten on top of the game. Hello. Sorry about last video where I raged like way too hard. I'm going to control myself now. No, 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 no.
Using our lifeboat airbox to attach their boarding pass.
No.
So Adam, they come up.
No, 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 no. Hold on. Hold on. Controller. No, controller. Controller's at full. Controller's not at full. There you are. Oh! I'm gonna fight the survivors! Oh God, how much health does that elite have? Alright, better.
they come in?
I'm actually going to be calm this time. And this is actually going to be a proper long play this time. Last video I got extremely mad, I'm calm now, I am not going to rage and or curse that much in this video. Because I understand I got insanely mad last video. I am sorry for that. I did not mean to do that, okay? I put a disclaimer on it just in case. Even though I died. No! That time I was kind of happy when it happened. Oh well. Oh! Oh well, hold on. I'll try this direction. Maybe I can put grenades in to make this harder. No, I don't want to do that yet. No. How? Okay. Any cursing in this video will be minor, and it will be primarily due to small bits of rage. I'll try to keep it to a minimum. Unlike last video, where I kept it to a maximum. Oh god! There's like 5,000 of them! And my phone is probably lagging by now. Why is it lagging? And I die again. Whoa. There's actually too much enemies there. Oh, no. pal. Nah. Too many explosions. No, 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 no. Okay, I'm good. Man, right as I got near to the checkpoint. What happened? What happened? Why is it so difficult? Hold on. Shouldn't be this difficult. Isn't Legendary supposed to be the most fair in the like for Combat Evolved? It's the most fair in the series. No, no. That was awesome. Controller. I knew that before it would happen. Hold on. And it disconnects anyway. Nice. What in the frick, controller? Ah. Jeez. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Controller. How are you doing this? I want to enjoy a nice game, unlike last video where I was absolutely blaring out angry. Might have to end the video anyway since my battery's low now. You heard that vibrate, huh? It's at low! Yeah, vibrate, huh? Vibrate. Wow! You know what, I'm going to end the video here, just for now. I gotta charge my phone, I gotta get this controller all set up. I'm not gonna do a campaign video for next one, but I'm gonna do a multiplayer video on Halo 2, if you guys want to watch that. I'm sorry about last video where I was absolutely blaringly loud. From now on in the Halo videos and all that stuff, I'll keep it controlled.